For years, Apple TV has been the quiet hero of Apple's ecosystem, a small, unassuming box that transformed ordinary televisions into smarter, cleaner, more connected experiences. But in 2025, everything changes. Apple is preparing to take its most underestimated product and make it the centerpiece of your living room. The leaks, patents, and insider whispers all point to one thing. The next Apple TV isn't just a streaming box. It's a gateway to the future of home entertainment. Today on Gadgetverse, we're diving into 5 game-changing predictions about Apple TV 2025 that could completely reshape the way we watch, play, and connect. The first big leap? Raw power. Rumors suggest Apple TV will ship with the same blazing fast A18 Pro chip from the iPhone 15 Pro. This isn't about smoother menus or faster streaming. It's about console-level graphics, desktop-class performance, and even advanced AI running locally without the cloud. Imagine 4K HDR Apple Arcade games, next-gen game engines, and zero lag when running apps. For the first time, Apple TV could become more than a streaming box. It could be a true gaming and productivity hub. Next, let's talk Vision Pro synergy. Imagine starting a movie on your TV, then putting on Vision Pro and instantly stepping into a full 360-degree cinematic world. Apple TV could stream spatial video, sync perfectly with HomePods, and merge your living room with virtual content. Apple's been quietly building this puzzle with iPhone's spatial video, Apple TV Plus, and AR features. And in 2025, Apple TV may finally become the brain of your spatial entertainment system. Prediction number 3, AI-powered personalization. The new tvOS is expected to be smarter than ever, learning your habits across iPhone, iPad, watch, and more. Imagine a home screen that automatically lines up shows you'll actually want before you even search. A Siri that understands mood, schedule, even weather, answering questions like, "Show me a fun 90-minute comedy for a rainy Sunday." This isn't Netflix level. Recommendations. This is Apple's entire ecosystem, working together to know you better than any streaming platform ever could. Fourth, smart home mastery. Apple TV could evolve into the ultimate home hub, controlling lights, thermostats, cameras, and locks all from your TV screen. Multi-user profiles might even switch automatically depending on who's in the room, thanks to iPhone or Apple Watch proximity. This means your TV doesn't just entertain you, it knows you. And finally, the hardware itself. Apple may introduce a sleeker, fanless design, but the biggest rumor? An Apple TV with a built-in display. Imagine a 27-32-inch premium mini LED screen with tvOS baked in. Perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, or small spaces. This would push Apple directly against Samsung and LG's smart TVs, but with one advantage they can't match: Apple's seamless ecosystem integration. Put all of this together: console-level performance, Vision Pro synergy, AI personalization, smart home control, and bold new hardware, and it's clear, Apple TV 2025 isn't just another upgrade. It's Apple's blueprint for the future of the living room. Every major shift in tech, streaming, gaming, smart homes, spatial computing, eventually converges in one place: your living room. And Apple knows it. That's why the Apple TV of 2025 could be the backbone of Apple's entire ecosystem. Your iPhone becomes the remote, your HomePod the sound system, your Vision Pro the second screen, all powered by one central hub, Apple TV. This is Apple's "it just works" philosophy on a scale we've never seen before. And here's the most exciting part: we're only scratching the surface. The next chapter of Apple TV is just beginning, and if Apple delivers even half of what we expect, the living room will never be the same again.